What's going on, everyone? It's InvestIQ and welcome back to the channel. Now, jumping into the stock market can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded, right? But just like anything else worth doing, having the right strategies can make all the difference. That's why in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 stock market strategies for beginners. So if you're new to investing, grab a notebook, buckle up, because this video is tailored just for you. Now, before we even talk about picking stocks, let's address the elephant in the room. Alright, why is having a strategy so important in the first place? Look, imagine building a house without a blueprint. Would you do that? No way. It'd be chaos. The same goes for investing. Without a clear plan, you're just throwing darts blindfolded, hoping something sticks. And that's not a winning strategy, right? A solid strategy outlines your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and how you plan to achieve those goals. It's like having a roadmap to navigate the stock market effectively, so you can make informed decisions and avoid those costly mistakes. Alright, so you've got your plan, you're ready to invest, but hold on. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, alright? And that's where diversification comes in. Think of it like this. Would you rather have all your money invested in one single stock, no matter how promising it seems, or spread across different assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, you name it? Of course you would diversify. See, diversification is your safety net. It's about spreading your investments, reducing the impact any single investment can have on your overall portfolio. Because trust me, in the stock market, anything can happen. A single industry can take a hit, a company can face unexpected challenges, and if your entire portfolio is concentrated in that one area, ouch, you're in for a rough ride. Chapter 3, Dollar Cost Averaging. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite strategies, especially for beginners, dollar cost averaging. See, timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible, even for seasoned investors. Who has time to track every single market up and down anyway? Dollar cost averaging takes the guesswork out of it. Instead of investing one large lump sum all at once, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. So let's say you want to invest $500 every month. Some months the market might be up and you'll buy fewer shares. Other months it might be down and you'll buy more. Over time, this strategy averages out your purchase price, potentially reducing the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. Chapter 4. Long-term investing. Now, patience is key, my friends, especially when it comes to the stock market. See, investing isn't about getting rich quick schemes, it's about building wealth gradually over time. And that's where long-term investing comes in. Remember, the stock market goes through cycles, there are going to be ups and downs, but historically it has always trended upwards over the long term. So, instead of trying to time those short-term fluctuations, focus on the big picture. Think 5, 10, 20 years down the road. By investing consistently and staying the course, you give your investments time to grow, ride out those market storms, and hopefully achieve those long-term financial goals. Chapter 5. Staying informed and doing research. Alright, last but not least, in the world of investing, knowledge is power. Don't just blindly follow the crowd or rely on those hot stock tips from your uncle, alright? Take the time to educate yourself, stay informed about the companies you're investing in, and understand the market trends. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, and remember, knowledge is your best defense against those risky investments. So, there you have it, my friends. 5 powerful stock market strategies for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. So be patient, stay informed, and watch your portfolio grow over time. That's it for this one. I hope you found these strategies helpful, and remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself and your financial education. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more investing tips and tricks. And hey, let me know in the comments down below which of these strategies you're most excited to try out, or if you have any questions at all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.